Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, in the presence of the Chief Advisor Thomas A. Sangma, the officials from the Education Department and the District Administration inaugurated the new building of the College of Teacher Education CTE at Rongkhon in Tura on Friday. Speaking at the inaugural function, the Chief Minister said that in the last 4.5 years, our education system and overall economic situation improved in the state. But education has been a big challenging sector as a whole, and the government has prioritized education since 2018.
We have made substantial, if not satisfactory, substantial investment, much higher compared to the previous years in education, in all the different sectors, be it lower primary, be it upper primary, higher secondary, secondary, college, higher technical. And you must be seeing how things are moving forward in almost all the sectors when it comes to education.
Union Minister